Severe thunderstorm warning just issued for Mason County. We're going to end up with a delay here, so another update's being relayed.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Knox County.
There we go. There we are.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Scott County, Cass County, Central, Mason County, Morgan County until 12:15 a.m.
I'm glad they fixed that Central
At
Mason
11:20
County.
p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from I-5 to 7 miles west of Winchester, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Jacksonville, Beardstown, Havana, Virginia, Winchester, Alexander, Ashland, Maridocia, Bluff Springs, Bluffs, Murrayville, Chandlerville, Chapin, Woodson, Aaronsville, Bath, Kilbourne, Manchester, Halsey, and Naples. This includes Interstate 72 between mile markers 42 and 76. You're listening